Hey, welcome back to the channel. So here we are at the Houston Autorama at the George R. Brown Convention Center, and we found this beautiful 1962 Lincoln Continental. There were only 27,849 1962 Lincoln Continentals sold, and they had 300 horsepower, 430 cubic inch V8 engine. It was the height of luxury. And the coolest thing about these cars is the suicide doors. And they called them suicide doors because they were rear hinged, meaning they opened backwards. And because they didn't have widespread seatbelt use back then, they were actually super dangerous, because if the car was broadsided, there was a huge risk that people would just be flung out of the cars and actually die. So that's why they called them suicide doors. And the interesting thing is, even though they were dangerous, the suicide doors were considered a height of luxury. And actually, in 2018, Lincoln decided to revive the suicide door. Of course, now they're not as dangerous because people know better and they use their seatbelts. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the video. It's a gorgeous car. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching.